In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to sync contacts to Apple Watch Series 8. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to synchronize all of your contacts to your Apple Watch. This process is extremely simple, and these instructions will apply for any series of watch that you have. So the main thing is that you should try to use the same Apple account on both devices. As long as you are using the same Apple account between your smartwatch and your iPhone, the contact synchronization will be done automatically because it will gather all of the contacts from the iPhone and automatically sync them to the watch. So make sure that the same Apple account is in both devices. If you need to configure it, you can go over to the settings, and at the top you will see the option to sign in using an Apple account. Once this is done, the only other thing that you have to do to ensure that the synchronization is done properly is to go into the iCloud settings. So open the general settings on your iPhone, tap on your Apple icon or Apple account at the top of the settings here, and then choose the iCloud category. Inside of iCloud, you will see all of the data that is currently being saved to iCloud. And if you tap here, you will be able to make sure that contacts are being synchronized. So enable synchronization for contacts. With this done, you are basically good to go. If you sign into the same Apple account on the watch and you make sure that iCloud synchronization is active on that specific device, the contacts alongside anything else enabled here will be synchronized to the Apple Watch. They make this process extremely convenient, and it's as simple as setting up the Apple account and iCloud through this page. Once both are synchronized, you will find all of your contacts available on the watch, and you can manage them however you prefer. I hope I was able to help you on how to sync contacts to Apple Watch Series 8. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.